Self-introduction. Good morning, sir and madam. Assalamu alaikum. I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Thank you for giving me this wonderful opportunity to introduce myself to you. I am your name. We are 5 members in my family including me. I am native to city name. Currently, I am studying graduation at the university name, and my graduation is about to complete in the next couple of months. Currently, I want to secure a job with company name you are appearing for. My long-term goal is by gaining work experience of 5 to 7 years in the field of before post. I wish to work in the position, contributing to the betterment of my workplace and society. I am a self-motivated and disciplined soul. I am always keen to upskill myself by learning new things whenever I get a chance. I had internships with employers where learn and gained valuable industry knowledge. My strengths are my analytical approach, my human touch to the situations, my appreciable communication and presentation skills. I believe in being realistic. In my free time, I enjoy spending time with friends, sometimes cooking, listening to music, doing drama, reading, traveling, and playing outdoor sports. Thank you. If you have any specific questions, please ask. I will be glad to answer that.